Hello everyone. To view the weather conditions in your Mac's menu bar on macOS Sequoia, first double-click the weather app icon to open it. The weather app is in your Applications folder. To view the weather conditions for your current location, click System Settings in the dock to open it. Next, click Privacy and Security. Then click Location Services and turn on the toggle button for the Weather app. As you can see, my current location appears in the sidebar. In the following step, click the Control Center in the sidebar and scroll down until you see the Weather app icon. From the pop-up menu, select Show in Menu Bar and close the System Settings window. You can now check the current forecast for your location right in your Mac menu bar on macOS Sequoia. To add more locations to your list, click the weather status in the menu bar and select Open Weather to see the weather app. Enter the name of the location you want to monitor weather conditions for, such as Paris. Once you have selected the location, you will see the current weather forecast for that city. If the list of cities disappears, simply enter the name again to refresh the list. Afterward, click the Add button to add it to the sidebar for easy access.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
To rearrange the locations in your list, click and drag the location name up or down to place it where you want. The top location is the one that appears in the menu bar. To remove a location from the list, right-click or control-click its name and click Delete. You will see a dialog box asking, "Are you sure you want to remove this location?" If that's what you want, click Delete. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.